Pero may ano yan may side story yan Baka dito ko lang makwento publicly.
Ano side story? Hindi ko alam yung tanong na sasabihin ko kasi hindi ko alam yung side story.
Ito yung story nga. At sigurado, pag ito lumabas, mababash na naman tayo rito Para sabihin na naman. Actually, I was supposed to be appointed as the chairman of COMELEC.
Okay.
Bago, nung nabakante yung chairmanship ng COMELEC.
Si Chairman George Garcia ang na-appoint
No,
eventually.
hindi.
Hindi pa?
Si attorney sa Idamin.
Okay.
Sa Idamin. So, si Carlo Nograles was appointed sa Civil Service. Then,
Yes.
Ustol was appointed sa COA. If you recall that,
Yes.
yun mo.
Yes.
At tapos, ang commissioner na kasama noon, si Attorney Neri and si Attorney George, sa commissioner sila.
Opo.
So, that was unofficial naman na usapan as part of the ng political party.
Okay.
So, when I was not appointed na COMELEC, for some reason, as chairman, may nilagay silang iba. So ito naman, sinabi naman talaga sa akin directly nung mga nandoon nung time na yan nung mga officials na nandoon, kinausap nila ako.
Ano sinabi?
So sabi, mag-capsec at least you get to work with the president.
Okay.
At least on the last few months, malapit ka. Well, literally, pagka-cabinet meeting, mga one seat apart lang naman kami. So malapit talaga. Kung physical yung pag-uusapan, so okay lang naman. So okay
And
naman.
what's the work? What's the work as a CABSEC? Ano ginagawa ng isang cabinet
May mga
secretary?
cabinet clusters So umuupo ako lahat dyan. So security cluster, economic cluster. So parang
pong difference
it's
with
like a secretary ng corporation.
Okay.
Ano meron?